hall has small square tables that seat one person on each side. The tables can be pushed together to form longer tables. So the first thing we want to do a table of values. So we're going to have our X and our Y. Our X is going to be representing the tables, and the Y the number of persons sitting at the table. So we have 1 table, 2 table, and 3 table. Second thing we need to do is count how many people can sit. So table 1 was 1, 2, 3, 4. Table 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with 3 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second step we need to write our equation. So y equals mx plus b. And we're always going to start with finding the m. And the m, we find the m by looking at our table of values. So we need to find the pattern here. 4 to 6, we're adding 2, and 6 to 2, we're adding 2. So our m is going to be 2. We're going to rewrite the rest of the equation. And now we need to find our b. To find our b, there's 2 ways we can do it. We can show you one way right now, and then I'll show you another way. We go in our table of values, and we're going to take values that are there. So now I'll go back in my equation, and where it says y, I'm going to put the value that's in my table of values. So I'm going to put 4 equals, my m stays the same, so I'll leave my m like that. And where it says x, I'm going to put the value of my x. And then we do math. So 4 equals 2 times 1, 2, plus my b. And we're looking to find the b, so we have to isolate it. So we have to do minus 2, minus 2. Here would give us 2 equals b. So our equation, we would have to rewrite it, would be y equals, and we found our m, that was 2. X plus our b, that was 2. That would be our equation. There's another way we can find our b. So we could do y equals 2 because we found the m, x plus b. If we are looking for b and we don't want to do all this work, we can go back in our table of values. If I find the value of y when my x is 0, that's going to give me my b. So remember, we did the pattern. Here was plus 2, plus 2. So now, if I want to find the value here, I'd have to do 4 minus 2 if I'm going the opposite way. So here would give me 2, and then it would be, the pattern would be plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So if you find the value of your x, of your y when x is 0, this gives you your b also.